Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Serenitysjt and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see by the title, I have another wig for you guys. So this wig was sent to me from Vanlov Hair. Lovely. So they sent me this wig in a 4x6 closure. Very glueless. This is a throw on and go wig, so I didn't use any glue for this install at all. It came pre-plucked, bleached and everything, so everything is already customized for you. So this is 26 inches. It came just like this. It was very full when I first took it out the pack. This is when it's like wet, kind of dry with a little bit of product. Overall, I definitely love this wig. I definitely didn't have much shedding to it. With it already coming pre-plucked, pre-bleached and everything, this wig is definitely a go-to. And the color is 427, so it's a mix. But yeah, this hair, it came super full. Didn't have to worry about it looking thin in the back. As you can see, didn't have to worry about it looking thin in the back. Everything came done for you. With this wig coming with everything done, it literally took me like 30 minutes to install it. Put the wig on, fasten the back. It came with combs inside and a little tightening thing. So yeah, it took me about 30 minutes just to add the product in and everything and kind of clean up the part a little bit. As you can see, this install is super glueless. And it's very sturdy, so it's not gonna like fall off your head or anything. It's not gonna do anything, so it's gonna stay in place. Let's see. I definitely love this wig. 10 out of 10 because I'm a deep wave girl. As you can see, I definitely love this unit. Like, this is some good quality hair. Super pretty, the color and everything. Even when it's dry, it looks super good. But that's enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get into the install. Alright guys, if you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching this short and easy install video. If you stayed to the end, go ahead and subscribe, because what are you doing? Yeah. Until next time.